Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the very cool TimeKettle Translation Earbuds WT2 Edge edition. This is the offline edition, and that's why we have this fish card here, because it's 30 credits that you can use to download offline translation packs. So for different languages that you want to use, for these earbuds specifically, they charge via USB-C. Comes with a USB-C charging cable right here. Ear hooks if you need them. I found them to stay in place pretty well. Basically, when you open this up, you give one of these to the person speaking, one language, and you take the other headphone and put it in your ear. There's 3 modes that these earbuds have. The first mode is Simul mode, and all of the details will be in the description on the video below. Then there's touch mode, speaker mode, and you can also do a translation group chat. If everyone has the free downloadable TimeKettle app, you can do group chat and it will translate between all the people in the chat. So you download their free TimeKettle app, you pair it with the app, not in the regular Bluetooth mode. These are not used for audio or phone calls, just translation. You don't need these to do the translation. Also, you can use the app by itself in speaker mode. So just use the phone and put it up to the person speaking another language and it will translate on the screen for you. The translation between the earbuds with the TimeKettle app takes about a second online, or a little bit less than that with the downloadable packs. And that's only if you get the offline version. With the fish card, you can buy these after the fact if you want to download packs of languages. These are the new Translator Earbuds from TimeKettle, the WT2 Edge edition. This is the offline version that they have to offer. You can use ear hooks if you want to. They have different ear covers right here if you need it, a quick start guide, and then of course the regular manual as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course, thumbs up.